Hi guys, so we're going to talk about what we do when we are given an equation and x and y values, and we want to make sure that we can find a corresponding y value that goes with an x value. So right here we've got to find, I have made a huge mess in what I'm trying to do here and it's not working. Anyway, we need to find the y value that goes in this spot where I just colored with all these little marks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up here at the top and we see the equation y equals -4/3 times x plus 2. That is what we are going to put into Desmos. So we need to be careful and make sure we do a good job putting it in. Always look back a couple of times, make sure that you reread it. -4/3x plus 2. So the next line we're going to go to, we're going to put in x equals, and this is the x value that we want to find a corresponding y for. So we're going to put in a -3, and if you notice on Desmos, it gives you a 6. So the answer that you would type in would be 6. Let's check and see what the next one is. It says which set or which table of ordered pairs could be used to graph this equation. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put, read that equation, y equals 4x minus 5. And I'm going to put that in the calculator, 4x minus 5. And then I know I have to plug in x values, but I'm going to take some time here to look. I'm going to plug in each x and look at the corresponding y's. But sometimes, if you notice, this is an x of 0, a y of 0. This is an x of 0 and a y of -1. This is an x of 0 and a y of -5. And an x of 0 and a y of 4. Since all 4 y values are different, then I'm only going to have to plug in one number. And that's going to give me -5. So I know automatically that my answer is C. If any of the y values were the same, like if 2 of them were -5, then I'd have to go through and check every single number. But since the x value of 0 gave a different answer for each one, I only have to do one. So my answer is C. All right, that's it. I know you can do this. Y'all do your best on this test.